Hello, everybody. Good afternoon. Evelyn, hi. How are you? Where are you watching from? Which province are you watching from? So I welcome you to my YouTube channel, guys. We just want to look at this 2024 mathematics paper 1. It's already solved. I already solved this question paper. I just want us to go through as part of revision as we prepare for 2026 exams. Watching from Lusaka. Very good. So now, when you look at this question here, question 4 is saying factorize completely, and we've been given this question here. So we've been given 7x squared minus 7. This is what we've been given, and we are asked to factorize completely. Now, how do you factorize this? Remember, this is a difference of two squares, okay? Now, before you apply difference of two squares, you need to check if you have what is common, okay? You can use common factors. 7 can go into 7, so you can factor out 7, open bracket, 7 into 7, we just remain with x what? Squared. 7 into negative 7, it is negative 1. Now check. What is inside here is a difference of two squares. So you can just write 7 x squared minus the square root of 1 is 1. So this one is the same as 1 what? 1 squared. Okay, it's as simple as this, 1 squared. Then the final answer will be 7, open bracket. You write one of the x's here and it will be just x. Just write plus 1, one of the ones here, close bracket, open, x, the remaining x, this time around just use what? Minus 1. And this is what? This is the answer. I know the questions that you may want to ask. What if you start with x minus 1? It's also correct. You can start with x minus 1, then x plus 1. But you know, in mathematics, when you have numbers positive and negative, usually start with what? Always start with positive number. But even if you start with negative, there's no problem. Okay, so that's it. If you just joined, guys, where are you watching from? In Lusaka is watching. Which province are you representing? Are you watching from? Okay, so we are solving this 2024. This is question 4. So let's go to the next question. Look at the next question here is this is under sets, and you are asked to do what? To use set notations to describe the shaded region in the Venn diagram. Now, answering this one is very simple, okay? This is very, very simple. What we're going to do is, number 1, look at this is question 5. Look at the set that is completely unshaded, okay? Completely unshaded. Now, the set that is completely unshaded is set A. So we know that A has what? A complement, because it is not what? It is not shaded. Then what is shaded? What is shaded is B union C. B and C is what? Shaded. So you can just say A complement intersect in bracket B union C. That's what is shaded. It is as simple as this. Okay, guys, where are you watching from? If you haven't subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing, and you can also like the video, this live video. You can like it and share with your friends. All right, so this is the answer. Okay, let's go to the next question, which is question 6. Yeah, very good. Question 6. Look at question 6 here. Christine, hi. I hope you are doing well. Question 6. A businessman got 800 shares worth 7,200 kwacha. What was the cost? What was the cost of each what? The cost of each share. Okay, the cost of each share. The first thing here is that 800 shares were worth what? So we have, this is question 6. Question 6. 800 shares, we have 800 shares equivalent to 7,200 kwacha. Okay, 200 kwacha. Then what was the cost of each share? Meaning one share is equivalent to how much? Let's put X here. Then let's cross multiply. X times 800, it is what? 800 X, which is equals to 7,200 kwacha. Divide both sides by what? 800. Okay, by 800. This 800 and 800, this one cancel. You just remain with X. This side is equals to. Now you know that you're not supposed to use a calculator. Okay, so let's first cancel out the zeros. These two zeros will do what? Will cancel. How many times does 8 go into 72? 8 times 8 is 64. So 8 plus another 8, 64 rather plus 8, that is 72. So 8 goes into 72 9 times. Therefore, it is what? 9 kwacha per share. So 9 kwacha, so you can just write it like this, 9 kwacha what? Per share. And this is the answer. Okay. Mpwembe Abia, watching from Luansha. That's good. How is Luansha doing this? Is it still morning? Yeah, this morning. Okay, so that's it. That's it. Question 6. Let's quickly go to question 7. Nice. Let's go to question 7. Question 7. Remember, it's me who solved this question. It should be some 2 years back. So I want us to go through. I solved the video is there on my YouTube channel. The complete video, the full video for all 23 questions. Okay, now I just want us to revise. Okay, to go through. All right. Thank you so much, Christine. Thank you. Thank you so much. Moses, watching from Kalulushi. Where is Kalulushi? Is Kalulushi Central Province or Northern Province? All right, so let's go to question 7. Question 7 here is saying the sequence 20, 17, 14, and 14 we have is an arithmetic progression. Find the 9th term. Very simple. Very simple. What we're going to do, this is question 7. So the nth term, this is question A. Nth term, the formula for nth term of an AP is given by the formula, rather, NTN is equals to A plus, open bracket, N minus 1, close bracket, D. Okay, where Tn is number of terms. Okay, the term, rather, it's a term. A is the first term, N is number of terms, D the common difference. Now, do we have A? A, yes, we have is the first term, which is 20. Do we have n? N, yes, we have. We've been given that n should be what? N is 9. We need to find the 9th term. So n is 9. And do we have D, the common difference? No, but we can calculate. Common difference is given by the formula T2 or minus T1 or T3 minus T2. As long as we have two consecutive numbers, we can find the common difference. So here it will be just 17 minus 20. And this is giving us the -3. Okay, -3. Let's substitute in the formula. Tn9 is equals to, the first term A is 20. So 20 multiplied by 20 plus rather. 20 plus 9 minus 1. N is 9. Common difference is -3. So we can just substitute here with -3. I'm multiplying, okay? So T9 is equals to 20 plus 9 minus 1 is 8. Okay, 8 times -3. Okay. Okay, 20. Now, negative times the positive times negative is negative. 8 times 3, it is 24. Okay, just help me. Sometimes, you know, we also humans, we usually make mistakes. So let's solve together. We should be solving together. What is 8 times 3? So 8 times 2 is 16. 16 plus another 8, that is 24. So T is equals to 20 minus 24. We have two numbers with different signs. So what we're going to do here is to do what? We are going to subtract and get the sign from the bigger number. So 24 minus 20, when subtracting, when numbers have different signs, start with the bigger number when subtracting. So 24 minus 20 is what? Is 4. And the sign from the bigger number, which is 24, is what? Negative. So the answer is negative what? Is negative 4. Okay. Evelyn, thank you so much. Moses from the Copper Belt. Okay, Copper Belt is watching. So far, I've seen 2 provinces watching, Lusaka and Copper Belt. Guys, are you telling me you are all from the Copper Belt? Okay, the camera is not clear. How is it now? Let me just do this so that how is it now? Is it clear? Tell me if it's clear so that we proceed. Is it clear now? Southern province is watching camera. Okay, great. Let's proceed. So we have 3 provinces watching: Lusaka, Copperbelt, and Southern province. All right, that's it. That's good. Let's go to the second question. So we have found T9. Term number 9 is what? Is -14, -4 rather. So B, we are asked to find the sum of the first 10 terms. Sum of the first 10 terms. How do you find the sum of the first 10 terms? Or sum of an AP? It is very simple. Remember, these formulae you're not given in the exam. You're supposed to know them. Okay? And this is the time, as you are in February, this is the time to do what? To know everything. So Sn is equals to n over 2, open bracket, 2a plus 2a plus, open bracket, n minus 1 rather, to n minus d, n minus 1 close bracket, d. All right, like this. This is the formula. Okay, so we are going to substitute. What do we have? What is n? N is the number of terms, which is 10. So n is 10. What is a? A is 20, which is the first term here. What is d? We've already calculated d as negative 3. Yeah, that's it. I think that's all. So s, then s10 is equals to, n is 10 over 2, open bracket. I'm just substituting here. Okay, 2 multiplied by a is 20 plus n. And what is the value of n here? N is 10. So 10 minus 1, close bracket, d is negative 3. So we're multiplying, is negative 3. Okay, I haven't solved anything there. I've just what? Substituted. Okay, so S10 is equals to 2 into 10 is 5. Okay, 2 into 10 is 5. 2 times 20, this is 40, plus 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 times negative 3 there. Okay, negative 3. Let me just, okay, this is negative 3. Very good. All right, so we have S10 is equals to 5. Those who have just joined, tell me where you are watching from, the province you are watching from, or the country you are watching from. Okay, so here we have 40, positive 9, positive times negative is just negative. 9 times 3, this is 20, 27. It's 27 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 27. So S10 is equals to 5. Then 40 times 40 minus 27. This is supposed to be 13 because 0 minus 7 is cancelled. So this one becomes 3. This one 10. 10 minus 3. 10 minus 7 rather is 3. Then 3 minus 2 is 1. So we have 5 times 13. 5 times 3 is 15. So 5 carry 1. 5 times 1 is 5 plus that 1, 6. So S10 is 65. Okay. Some of the first terms is what? 65. It is as simple as this. Okay. So guys, apart from what I'm doing now, we also have online classes. Okay, online classes, and we've covered these 4 topics. Yeah, first, and we're going into coordinate geometry. Tomorrow we're beginning coordinate geometry. Then on Friday we'll look at another thing, and we're moving at the supersonic speed, at the speed of electricity, because we have no time. We don't want to panic at the end towards the exam. So if you're willing to join us, you are welcome. Classes start 19 hours. We have a timetable, 19 hours to 22:30, somewhere there. Great. All right, so the number is there. Just check for my number. It is there on my YouTube channel. All right, let's go to question. What question is this? Question 8. Remember what I told you, that I already solved this in 2024. It's 2024, yes. So there's a full video on my channel. Okay, there is a full video on my channel, so you can just look at, check it out. Then yeah, then you enjoy. Now look at this. You have 2 questions here. You have 8A and B. So 8A is saying a fair die is rolled once. Okay, a fair die is rolled once. Find the probability of a 4 showing up. This is very simple. This is very, very simple. Okay, no wonder it's even a mark. Okay, so now you ask yourself, check, how many possible outcomes are there on the die? 6. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 numbers, okay, on the die. Now when they ask you what is the probability of getting a 1, it is 1 over how many possible outcomes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. What is the probability of getting a 2? How many 2s are here? 1 over 6. So the probability of getting each number, any number here, it is 1 over 6. Okay, That's why here I wrote what? I had written 1 over 6. It's just 1 over 6. Probability of getting a 6 on a die, if it is rolled once, it is still 1 over 6. See? It's as simple as that. Okay. Now, we have this trigonometric. I just need to do what? To draw this so that you see something. Let me draw this right angle here. What are the dimensions? This is A, this is D, this is C, this is B. Then here is 13, then it is 5. Okay, so this is the straight line. Hello guys, welcome back. We had an interruption. Okay, network tripped. All right, we continue. How is it? Is it clear now? Okay, so this is the question we are solving. So the question